What's going on YouTube? Hitchcock here. I posted a video a couple days ago of a Jeep Wrangler frame repair that we're in the process of, and just wanted to give you a little update on where we're at so far. Had a little issue with the welder, and there was a little bit more rust than what I had originally estimated, so it's taking a little bit longer than what I've wanted it to. But I just want to give you a rundown, show you a little bit of what we got going on. But as you can see, we have not touched the passenger side yet. It still looks like a block of Swiss cheese. We got holes all through this thing, all the way down, obviously. The rust has taken this one to a whole nother level. The crossmember was actually falling out. I've seen somewhere it's actually completely come loose and they've had to ratchet strap it back in. But the other side, as you remember, the entire control arm perch was ripped completely out of the frame. It was rusted all the way through here. This side isn't that bad, but we're going to be replacing all of this entire section, except for the body mounts, except for the tub mounts, are going to be replaced. That whole section up front there is going to be replaced, and I'll show you how it's going to be replaced by going to the side that we just finished. This is the opposing side, the driver's side. As you can see from the front to the back, it's solid now. I replaced a section above the lower control arm perch. The safety cap actually sends you a little plate to weld in if there's a little issue in front of the frontmost part of the length of the frame rail. Sometimes there's a small issue up there that they just can sell you a little patch for. But as you can see, you got to weld it from back to the front, all the way down the line. You have to weld in the new patch. It's a tremendous amount of work, and it's a very tedious process. We MIG here, so the entire frame rail has been MIG welded. We replaced some sections behind the body mounts where it was completely rusted and nothing to weld to, so I actually had to plate it and then weld to it, then put the patch in, then weld to it. And this is the side, obviously, with the fuel lines and the evap lines. So this whole thing, obviously all the perches are replaced at the same time. Everything's welded in. Safety cap does a good job of making sure everything lines back up properly. But everything gets welded all the way in the back, all the way down on the inside as well. They don't give you the provisions for the fuel lines. Those are drill your own. I decided to not drill my own for the plastic retainers and put in my own eyelets with stainless hardware. But as you can see, the entire frame rail has been replaced all the way down the line, up and above the front spring perch. But if anybody says these are easy, it's a tremendous amount of prep work goes into replacing these frame rails. It's not just we here at Hitchcock, I don't know what everybody else does, but we don't just throw them over top of the old stuff. We actually cut all the old stuff out with a plasma cutter, pretty much up to the good portion of the frame at the top. But that is the frame repair on a Jeep Wrangler. They all have issues. They all will have issues at some point in their lives. The extent of the issue is based on upkeep and what you do to prevent it if it hasn't already started. So that's the rundown of the Jeep frame repair. We're going to do the other side, get started on that today. But we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like what you see here, there's more to come. So hit subscribe. Talk to you soon. Hitchcock's out.